Bring him in. Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right, I'm gonna call you first, Mr. Williams. You were on here yesterday, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Deshaun Devon Williams. This is ticket number P1369731. Count 1, drove with revoked license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number P1255239. Count 1, tinted windows. Count 2, defective brake lights. Ticket number P1302080. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1255236. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1221088. Drove, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1221080. Count 1, drove through private property or alley to avoid signal. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number P1224573. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. In warrant status, we have ticket number 135984041. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1052431. Disregard signal red or amber. Ticket number SP 1052481. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2 on that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1123921. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2 on that same ticket, drove while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1123923. One count, disregard traffic control device. Ticket number SP 1133861. Limited access speed 1 to 5 over. Ticket number SP 1133862. One count, no receipt of registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Deshaun Williams. Sir, would you please say your name?
Deshaun Devon Williams.
Your Honor, this time I ask the court to recall any warrants, and we do have a resolution in these matters, and Mr. Williams would like to take advantage of the people's offer this morning.
All right. Mr. Williams, you want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to waive any rights that you may have had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, I want to take your attention first back to the date of August the 10th of 2022. At that time, were you in the area of Dix and Honor? I'm gonna spell it for you. Honorah Street in the city of Detroit.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a Buick vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your license revoked or suspended at the time?
Yes, they was revoked.
And there, you not have any car insurance on that vehicle?
No, ma'am.
All right, and did you disregard a signal that may have been red or amber at that time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm then reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis on the date of September 29th of 2021 in the area of Ellesmere and Mason Streets in the city of Detroit. Mr. Williams was driving a Saturn vehicle, and that vehicle had tinted windows and above the allowed amount and defective brakes. Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea, an amended plea count to count 3, disregard signal red or amber to limited access 60 in the 55-mile-per-hour zone. And counts 1 and 2 of that ticket will be both amended to improper plate. The remaining tickets will be as it stands. It was, sorry.
That's okay. Okay,
Give us a second. I gotta take off some of your late fees, Mr. Williams, because you didn't come here on time.
That's something. Yes, I appreciate it. I have a question, Judge.
Yes, what's your question, sir?
Is there any way that I could maybe do community service for the remainder of them tickets?
Not for civil infractions. So
Okay,
here's what I'll do, because you do owe a lot in civil infractions. I'll give you a lot of time. You usually only have 14 days to pay civil infractions, but the limited access ticket is $125. The
okay,
tinted windows ticket is $120, and the defective brake lights is $200. So that's $445.
okay.
They're letting me know right now that you're not gonna be able to pay that in 14 days. How much time do you need to be able to pay that?
The 400, can I at least get it? Can I at least get a month? I get paid every 2 weeks. I get paid every 2 weeks. I can split it in half.
Okay, I can give you a month. Is that gonna be enough time, or you need a little bit more time?
Oh, I mean, if you offer me a little bit more time, I could, because you know it's the holidays and stuff, and I got kids' birthdays coming around. But I don't want to wait too long either. You know what I mean? I don't want to push the time too long also.
Here's what I'll do. I'll make it due no later than January 17th, but as soon as you can start paying on it, pay on it. You can do portions of it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's
Yes, ma'am.
$445. On the remaining 2 tickets that you had, I'll waive the cost and fines today. You may have
Okay.
something called reinstatement fees, though. I'm pretty sure you do. And because you
Yes.
had all these tickets, you have a whole lot of them. You have to pay
Yes.
those reinstatement fees, okay? That's why I'm not gonna do as much, because it's gonna be a big chunk, because that's $45. And it may not be on every ticket, but it's gonna be on some of those tickets. So you just gonna have to
Okay.
come down here and pay, or look online, and it'll be able to tell you which tickets have that reinstatement fee, okay?
Yes, ma'am. And you say you give me to January 14th,
17th.
17th? Okay.
Yep. Try and pay it before then, but I'll give you a little bit of time. I do know we're approaching the holidays. I'll be empathetic today.
Yes, ma'am. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, sir. That handles all the tickets that we have so far that we called on the record. Like I said, if you have older tickets though, those may be in default. You may need to pay them. I only went to 2020, okay?
Right. Okay. Yes, I understand. You helped me out a lot, though.
No problem. All right, we're trying to do that, Mr. Williams. We want you to eventually get your license back. That's what we want to happen, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, you are all set, Mr. Williams. You have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Now, Attorney Fillmore, I'm going to allow, and Attorney Burton Harris, I'm not calling your matter because Mr. Gillis is not in the courtroom just yet, so we just gotta wait for him to get here, okay?
Okay, Judge. And just for clarity, you said that Ms. Williams, her presence was waived today, correct?
I see that she's on here, so if you want to tell her, you can get the results and then let her know as long as she can make the next court hearing. So
Okay.
you can, I will waive that for you today if she needs to go to work.
Okay. I'll talk to her and see what she wants to do. All right, thank you.
Okay, absolutely, no problem, okay? All right, Attorney Fillmore, who would you like to, me to bring in next?
How about Miss Khadijah Williams?
Okay. Ms. Williams?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
All right. Let me see real quick. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Ms. Williams, I'm actually gonna put you back in the waiting room. I wanna see if I can get a jury trial date for you today. I know you've been back a few times. I reached out to the person to see if I can,
I'm sorry.
I said, I was trying to see if I could get your jury trial date. The person is out of the office today. Yes.
Okay, and I'm sorry. Did they update my information with you, with Ms. Marley, Ms. Taylor? I'm sorry.
I think they did, or they will at least, okay, Ms. Williams? Let me call this on the record, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Now calling the matters of the people versus Khadijah Nicole Williams. This is ticket P 1225975. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Driver, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 1225990. Count 1, improper lane usage. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, failed to secure child over 4 years old but under 16 in a safety belt. Ticket number P 1225998. Count 1, failed to properly secure passenger child. Count 2, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Count 3, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Ticket number P 1226580. Count 1, failed to secure child under 4 years old in car seat. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Williams. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Khadijah Williams.
And Your Honor, Ms. Williams is asking for a jury trial in these matters.
She has been asking for a jury trial, Attorney Fillmore, and I was trying to get her a date today. The person who does the scheduling for it is not in. I'm wondering. Can you come back on 12/19 so we can get this child scheduled for next year? Are you available?
December
that day?
19th?
Yes, and that way I'll be able to have a trial date for you that day, okay?
Okay.
And just for clarification, that's on Zoom again, Ms. Williams, the 12/19 date, and then you're gonna get a,
12/19 date
yes.
is on Zoom. But I sent
And
an
then-
email, so I can try and get that.
And
Yes, because
then,
I'm hearing, well, Miss Taylor, well, I'm sorry for cutting anyone off. I'm here in Arizona and I'm in December 18th to be exact, I'm expecting to, give birth to my child, so.
Oh, okay, so I'll just push it off to the new year. Is that fine then? Because I have, my dates aren't, in my next pretrial date isn't until January 31st. I didn't want to push it out too far. But if that works better, I can do it then, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, all right. Well, congratulations to you, January 31st. I'll have you come back for a pretrial, 8:30 a.m. I will have a jury trial date by then, okay?
Okay, and that will be Zoom, correct?
Zoom, yep, it's gonna be Zoom. We won't do anything in person until your jury trial, and that's why I want to be able to give you enough time since you need to get here, okay?
Okay, thank you, Miss Taylor.
You're welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
8:30 a.m. Bond is continued.
Okay.
Attorney Bill, I just sent over the other two offers, okay?
oh, thank you, Ms. Edwards.
You're welcome.
I'll actually go speak with them. Looks like I have a minute.
Yes, that's fine.
Hello, sir. What is your name?
Benjamin Jones. I think it says the host will let me in soon on my phone. And I wanted to know, was I still connected?
You're in the wrong courtroom.
Huh?
I think you're in the wrong courtroom. Judge Taylor doesn't handle cases for defendants whose last name begin with J.
Okay.
Okay, so did you come here earlier? Oh, okay. Is Mr. Young ready to go into the waiting room, Mr. Fillmore?
Yes, and also I think Mr. Walker might still be in a breakout room. He's on a landline, but he can go in the waiting room as well. Everybody can.
Okay, I'll bring him out. Oh, you said everybody can go in the waiting room now? You're done?
Yeah, Mr. Woods, Mr. Walker, and Mr. Young.
Okay, I'll just close the breakout room down then.
Perfect. Four, two, two, eight, seven.
All right, Attorney Fillmore, who should I call?
Your Honor, Miss Tiance Walker, she showed me, or she texted me screenshots of her bail documentation. Would you like me to send that to the court or show Mr. Gillis, or how are we gonna handle
Officer of
it?
the court, you've seen the documents, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Walker, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera for me, please? All right. You can unmute yourself, Ms. Walker. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiance Walker. This is ticket P 1247553. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Miss Walker. Ma'am, would you please say your name? Miss Walker,
Yes,
will you say your name, please?
Tiance Walker.
And Your Honor, Miss Walker did take a screenshot and was able to text to me proof of insurance. She has valid proof of insurance that was in effect on the day the ticket was issued, which I believe was September 8th, 2021. This is insurance for a 2009 Chevy Malibu that was in effect from April of 21 until December 24th of 21. And she also has provided valid current registration that expires. Actually, it expired in August of 22. Oh, this is expired. We may need to recall this. I'm sorry.
I do have the one that expired in 23.
Oh, you have another registration that is current for the car?
Yes,
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I got my dates a little confused here. This expired in August. So do you have
What date was it in August?
August 2nd of 22, this registration expired.
Okay.
Did you get another registration for the car, Ms. Walker?
I did.
Can you send that to me real quick and we'll recall the case?
Yes, I can do that.
Thank you. Sorry about that, Judge.
It's okay. And so when she sees the valid documents, just send that to her, Ms. Walker. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. We'll recall it.
Okay.
All right, what can we do next?
How about, she's got that, Rashad Young.
Young?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Rashad Young. This is U ticket 526-80519. This is one count of provided false information to police. Also calling U ticket 422-86117. This is one count enter a vacant dwelling without written authorization. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Young. Sir, would you please say your name?
Rashard Young.
And Your Honor, Mr. Young is asking for a bench trial in these matters.
Is that right, Mr. Young?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Young, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. That's my bad.
All right. All right, we're gonna hold this bench trial on the date of February 10th, 2023. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in today, you'll zoom in that date, sir. I'm gonna set your bond. Did you have to pay any bond money, or did you just get these put onto the docket?
Yeah, just lease to the doc.
Okay, so I'll set your bond at $0 personal, and you're all set, sir. I'll see you back via Zoom February 10th.
February
February
10th.
10th, 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, then. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good
Bless
day.
Do the same.
All right.
And Your Honor, Ms. Walker, now she did text me her current registration for that 2009 Malibu, so we can proceed.
Fantastic. I'll bring her in. Ms. Walker?
Okay, all right.
Yes.
Recalling the matters of the people versus Tianse Walker. This is ticket P 1247553. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Ms. Walker. Ma'am, would you please say your name?
Fiance Walker.
And Your Honor, Ms. Walker has provided valid proof of insurance as well as current registration for a 2009 Malibu, and I would ask the court to dismiss these matters.
Based on you seeing these documents and being an officer of the court, the court is going to grant your request and dismiss these matters without prejudice. I don't know what happened that day, Ms. Walker. It seemed like you had some of your stuff, so make sure you always keep it valid and in your vehicle so that you won't get tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you. You're all set. What would you like to do next?
We can call DeAndre Walker.
DeAndre Walker? Press *6.
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus DeAndre Walker. This is ticket U 566-29120. One count loitering on public-private property trespassing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Walker. Sir, would you please state your name? Mr.
DeAndre Walker. DeAndre Walker.
Thank you, Mr. Walker. Your Honor, we do have a resolution. Mr. Walker would like to take advantage of the people's offer this morning.
Is that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand for me.
It's up.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Walker, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Fillmore about your case and about your rights?
About what?
Your case and about your rights.
No, I didn't.
Did you talk to anyone this morning?
No, I haven't.
Mr. Walker, This is Jim Fillmore, the attorney. We spoke in the breakout room. Do you recall that?
Yes.
And we talked about the plea offer and the fact that you have the right to have a trial. You don't have to take the plea offer, but you indicated to me that you wanted to accept the plea offer. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so you did speak with someone today, right?
Yes.
That's who I'm referring to, Mr. Walker. You talked to him this morning about this case?
Huh?
I said, did you
I'm
talk
on the
to him
phone.
about
I can barely hear you.
I said, did you talk to Mr. Fillmore this morning about your case?
Oh, no, I haven't.
Yes? Okay, all right. Mr.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I have. Yes, I have.
It's my understanding you want to take advantage of this offer today to have it reduced to disorderly conduct with 20 hours of community service. Is that correct, Mr. Walker?
Yes.
Has anyone promised you anything, threatened you, or forced you to take this plea beyond what I just said?
Yes, Larry Pope.
Is that your
He
attorney?
burned candles on me.
Attorney Fillmore, how should we handle this situation? I don't feel comfortable at taking a plea right now because I'm not sure
Yeah.
that.
Perhaps maybe we can set this for an in-person pretrial, Your Honor.
Mr. Walker, I'm having a little bit of issues with understanding where your line of thought is going right now. I don't know if I can.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Now, what you just told me was real random, and it didn't answer my question at all. And you were throwing out
Oh,
a name
okay.
that
I
I'm very
apologize.
familiar with. I'm very familiar with that person's name you threw out, so now I'm concerned. Did you have conversations with Attorney Larry Polk about this case?
No, I haven't.
So why did you say his name?
Oh, never mind. Hello?
I'm here. Give me 1 second,
Oh.
please.
Okay.
Attorney Fillmore, please look at the computer.
Yes. Where'd my chat go?
Mr. Walker,
Yes.
are you? All right, I'm gonna start the questions again, okay? Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Did you talk to an attorney today? That'll be Mr. Fillmore about your case and
Yes.
about your rights. Did anyone
Yes.
threaten you, force you, huh?
No.
Did anyone force you, threaten you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today, Mr. Walker?
No, that's it.
No. Do you still want to plead guilty? That's what I mean by move forward.
Oh,
You still
yes,
want to
yes,
plead guilty?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
I'm going to take your attention, sir, back to the date of March 13th of 2020. Were you in the
Yes.
area 12800 West McNichols in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
What's at that location?
It was at a gas station. I was hearing voices, and I was just standing in the gas station. Just
All right. And did they ask you to leave though at some point, Mr. Walker?
yes, they did.
Okay. And you didn't do so right at that moment, did you?
No, I didn't.
All right. Satisfied, Attorney Fillmore? I'm satisfied.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. The court is satisfied as well. I'm going to accept the plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct. Mr. Walker, do you need any assistance further than do you do mental health treatment or anything like that, sir?
Yes, Central City.
Okay. Okay. I need you to stay on that. Okay.
Okay.
I need you to keep going to that. Okay.
Okay.
Are you able to do community service or no?
Not really, but I mean, I'll try.
I'm just gonna, I need you to come back in 3 months, Mr. Walker. Can you provide me with a note? I don't know how we can do this, but I need a note from the community services that you're receiving, just to say that you're getting the help and continuing that help at this time. Can you do that for me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to have you come back on February 17th, 2023 at 8:45, just to make sure you're doing everything you're supposed to do, okay?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Walker, and that's gonna be via Zoom. So the same way you
Okay.
log in that day, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'm not gonna assess a fine at this time. Do you have extra income, Mr. Walker?
No, I don't. I only get disability.
All right, I'm not gonna assess a fine at this time, Attorney Fillmore. I'm gonna waive his cost and fines. I just want him to come back with a note, just letting me know that you're continuing those services in the community, because it's important, Mr. Walker, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Thank you, Your
welcome.
Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. William Woods.
Yes, thank you.
No, no. Now calling the matter of the people versus William Woods. This is U ticket 593545521. This is one count offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jim Fillmore on behalf of Mr. Woods. Sir, would you please say your name?
Yes, William Woods.
And Your Honor, we do have a resolution in this matter. Mr. Woods would like to take advantage of the people's offer today.
Is that right, Mr. Woods?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, Mr. Woods. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Fillmore in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea beyond what he told you about the plea offer, sir?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in front of me? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 7th of 2021. Were you in the area of Steele and Plymouth in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, did you offer someone to engage in the act of prostitution, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct, sir. All right, the fine for this is $300, sir. But you have some other terms and conditions you need to do as well, so I'm going to give you some time. You have to get an HIV STI test. I don't have to know the results. You just have to get it. You can get it from a primary care. You can go to one of the clinics or facilities. You just have to get the actual test. You also have to do 20 hours of community service. And you have to take what's called, it's called a misdemeanor morality class, but I'm gonna give you a phone number to call so that they can organize all of this. Are you ready to take it down, Mr. Woods?
Oh, yes.
313-965-3414. Okay? If I
Yep.
give you 3 months to complete all of this, is that gonna be enough time or do you need more time?
That should be enough.
Okay, so if I give you until February 17th, you think you can have all this completed, sir?
Yes.
Okay, February 17th, 2027, we'll do a review at 8:45 a.m. As long as you've paid the cost, the fine that I've given, done the 20 hours community service, got your test and taken the class, then this case will be closed out under disorderly conduct, okay?
Okay, yep.
All right, Mr. Woods, if there's nothing further, thank you so much. And we'll see you back on February 17th of next year, okay? 8:45 a.m. for a review.
Okay, yep.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Sign out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right. Hello, Judge Sabree.
Good morning, it's both of us.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I have one more thing. I do have a hearing left. I'm just waiting for counsel to come back to courtroom, city attorney, so that we can host the hearing with Attorney Burton Harris. So if you want to stick around, I don't have many more matters, but after this, Judge Sabree, I will be going to courtroom 332 to have 334 to have a judge docket, and I know I'm gonna have some things there. You need to watch. I'll go
Okay.
down there. Okay.
Because we're looking to watch, we're trying to find you.
Okay, all right, so I'll be in 334. You want me to text you when I get down there?
Yeah, that'd be great.
All right, fantastic, I'll do so.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge, excuse me, Judge Taylor? Am I,
Yes.
I think that's everyone for me, and I think they need some help in another courtroom, which is
They
never
do,
good.
so
a
go
good
ahead.
sign.
Thank you, Attorney Fillmore, for recognizing that and
No,
knowing that.
it's okay. All right,
ahead.
nice to see you all.
Thank
Have a good day. Robert,
You too.
Burton Harris, nice
Thank
to see
you.
you. Judge Sabri.
Great seeing you, Mr. Fillmore.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Attorney Burton Harris, you there?
I'm here, Judge.
All right. All her cases. All right. And I know that she signed off, and that's okay. You can just waive her appearance after I call.
Okay.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Leah Williams. This is ticket P1202309. This is one count disorderly conduct. Also calling ticket number X3858048. Count 1, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Count 2, violation of basic speed law, too fast. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Gillis, P79500 on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit.
And Attorney Burton Harris.
Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. Robert Burton Harris, P81843, for Ms. Williams, who was not present due to her presence being waived this morning.
All right, and I did see for the record, I just want to know Ms. Williams was present online this morning. I had discussions about her, if she needed to go to work, that she could leave, meaning that I was just going to give a decision today on based off of the hearing. And so she was present. I gave her permission to leave the hearing today. We argued last time, but both of you had very valid arguments. I thank you so much for allowing the court the opportunity to kind of go over and see where this fell. Just so everyone knows, I looked at the statute once again that was provided to me. I know counsel for Ms. Williams is asking for a dismissal in this matter, which is the most extreme part that I can go to on this matter. The issue becomes whether or not the discovered videotapes, whether or not they were being withheld in the court's opinion in a malicious way or being withheld on purpose. Ms. Williams in and of herself caused us to be able to find this video. And if my understanding is correct, the videos of the actual incident that she has been charged. Is that correct, Attorney Gillis?
That is correct.
And is that correct, Attorney Burton Harris?
I didn't quite hear what the statement you made. Well, Judge.
I said the video that we do have, the one video. I know there's several videos that may have been out there at that time that have no longer been preserved, but the video that you actually have is the one of the incident that she was given this ticket for. Is that correct?
I don't know. I guess if the prosecutor is saying if the prosecutor is saying that.
Hold on.
I haven't looked at the video.
Okay. I mean, I allege that the incident. I can say it's alleged, but I'm saying the video is the alleged incident that occurred that day, correct?
No, so let me explain. So I don't know exactly what conduct specifically the prosecutor is saying that constituted the crime. So I'm saying that it captures some of my client's conduct, but it doesn't capture, I guess, anything that could be argued that violated the ordinance. So, but if brother counsel is saying that the video that we have and that we've been discussing encapsulates all of the conduct that they are saying was illegal, then I'll take him at his word.
That is what we are saying.
Okay, that's what they're saying. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I don't believe I need to go that extreme. We do have a copy of what the alleged crime has happened. I will, though, however, give you the opportunity to have an evidentiary hearing to see what happened with the other videos and to give further information about what those videos you believe would have saw, so the court can hear what you believe and allege that those other videos would have seen. You included the green light videos that have not been preserved and the other cams or videos that were on the police officers that. And I think we do have a right to kind of figure out what happened to those videos and why they have not been preserved. So that's where the court stands today. I do need to know which officers need to be presented to the court and what day works for you, Attorney Burton Harris.
Okay, gosh. Given that I don't have the officers' names right in front of me, and I can even represent exactly how many officers it would be. Can we set a date, but I'll be in contact with your staff and also brother counsel to see if we need to change that date based on availability of witnesses?
Absolutely, Attorney Burton Harris.
That works for the plan.
Okay, that works for the city as well.
Okay.
I just don't want you to miss any of the officers that you may want to have there.
Right, I appreciate that.
I can state just off the cuff, there's 11 officers referenced in the main report. So I think we probably want all 11 of those officers. And then I know there's an officer, Jeremy Miller, that there was a separate report that he specifically issued. So I would think at least those 12 officers, and then maybe defense counsel and I can work on any remaining officers that may be.
All right, are y'all gonna be asking for this to be in person, Attorney Burton Harris, or are we doing this online?
No, I do evidentiary hearings in person. I tried to do a couple at the very beginning of COVID and it was a disaster. So I prefer
That's
those
what I'm asking.
in person.
All right, so I wanna do this on a Thursday. I know you hate this, Mary, but that way, because my dockets are much lighter on Thursdays. What month are you thinking, Attorney Burton Harris?
I'm looking at January.
Okay,
Fifth, 12th, 19th.
5th, 12th, 19th, or the 26th?
January 12th is still for the defense.
Oh, you know what? Not for the people. I won't be here. I'll be at training.
Okay.
I apologize. We have to school.
January 20th then?
Okay, that works.
Your Honor, I might just point out on the record, the court is aware, but Mr. Burton Harris probably is not. Mr. Burton Harris, I'm leaving the law department at the end of December. So there's gonna be a new prosecutor has already been assigned to Judge Taylor's courtroom. Her name is Crystal Jansen. So I will make sure the correspondence that you and I have regarding the witnesses, I'll make sure that she's copied on that so that she can be privy to what's going on. I'll get her up to speed.
I
Oh no, you froze. We've been waiting so long.
Your Honor, I was gonna ask if I could make that motion on the Keto Wallace matter to conclude this one. Mr. Burton Harris is also attorney.
Okay. We'll go off the record on this one. You back?
yeah, sorry about that, Judge. My internet cut off.
It's okay. We understood. We stopped talking. So we'll make sure that you're in contact. You were saying something to Attorney Gillis.
Yeah, I was just saying that I am aware of the reasons why he'll be no longer with the city, and I was going to congratulate him off the record.
Okay.
Oh, thank you, counsel.
All right. So if there's nothing further with this one, we'll do it on January 20th, in-person hearing in courtroom 337. I will require Ms. Williams to be here for the hearing. So just let her know she does need to be here for this hearing. And if nothing further, that concludes this hearing about this matter. And it'll just be for the disorderly conduct. I'm just trailing her other 2 tickets with, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Off the record in this matter. Now, there is on Wallace. Have you talked to him yet?
I haven't, Your Honor. I was gonna email him and I saw that he was gonna be here and I figured we could all just discuss it
He just
together.
signed off, so go ahead, call him.
Oh,
It's okay.
I think you guys